On the left side, go to the Keyword Gap tool. Here, your domain will be automatically entered. Then below it, you can add domains of your competitors. Click the Add Domain field, and Semrush will automatically suggest your competitors. I'll go ahead and select 100coconuts.com, and then I'll click the button to add up to 3 competitors, and then I'll select the next 3 competitors in line. For small or new sites, I've found that Semrush doesn't always perfectly identify the competitors because there's not enough keyword information. So you can always enter domains manually that you want to compete with, or simply compare your site to other sites. When you're done adding competitors, click Compare. Semrush will generate a keyword gap report. On the left side, we see a list of our top opportunities. Missing keywords are keywords that our site is not ranking for at all, but our competitors are. You can see that coconut water, for example, has a total monthly search volume of 90,500. Quite a bit. If you click on the Week tab, you can see a list of keywords that we and our competitors are ranking for, but we're not ranking as well as them. Click on View Details to scroll down and get some more information. This is where we're going to find a few quick wins. So for example, we can see the coconut water keyword has us in the 29th position on Google, which is like page 3 or so. It's not amazing, but we are showing up. Meanwhile, our competitors are showing up in position 6, position 2, position 28, and position 9 for that keyword. That keyword has a total monthly search volume of 12.1 thousand. The next column is KD percentage. This is keyword difficulty. It's a scale of 0 to 100 because it's a percentage, with 100 being the hardest to rank for and 0 being really easy to rank for. The next column is CPC, or cost per click. This is the average dollar amount that people who are paying to advertise on this keyword are paying per click. Next, you have the competitive density column. This is a scale of 0 to 1, where 1 indicates that it's a really competitive keyword and 0 indicates that it's really not. Last, you can see the total number of URL results that show up when people search for this keyword. Weak keywords are a great opportunity to try to rank a little bit higher since Google is already showing our site, just not very high. So let's go ahead and add a few of these high volume weak keywords. So we'll add coconut water to our list. To add to a list, let's click the plus button. The first time you go to add a keyword to a list, you'll be prompted to name your list. I'll go ahead and name this something relevant like coconut water first campaign. Then click the check mark. Now you can see our keyword has been added as the first out of a possible 2,000 in this keyword list. I'll click elsewhere on the page to close the pop-up. Then let's target 3 or 4 other keywords that we're ranking a little weakly for. For example, natural coconut water all one word, purchase coconut water. This one is a typo, coconut water. And then we have coconut water for sale. So now you've got a list of your top competitors and a handful of keyword opportunities, but let's not stop there. This is just the surface.